So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I teach you how to create new style of cubic text animation with using After Effects and Element 3D plugin. So firstly guys, create new composition and composition name guys take 3D and text. Yeah, presets guys take this one and duration 15 is good. So press OK. Yeah, and now guys go to project and right click import and import file. Guys, I have video texture, this one. So drag and drop on here and play. Yeah, see guys, that's my background texture. I apply this texture on here. So yeah, that's it. So go to back and now guys create new solid layer and layer name guys use E3D. So press OK. Yeah. Okay, so guys, I go to here, effect, video copilot and use element 3D plugin. Yeah, that's my, and hide this texture. Guys, select this E3D layer and I go to custom layer and custom text mask. Guys, apply this one texture. Yeah. And guys, unfold and click on screen setup. Yeah. See guys, that's my simple viewport. Okay, so guys, now I apply OBJ 3D text. Guys, I have this one. See guys, that's my 3D text. Simple. Right? Okay, so guys, that's my OBJ format file. See, that's my OBJ format file. So guys, now go to After Effects and import. Yeah, see guys, that's my texture and import and open, press OK. Yeah, see guys, that's really good. Simple OBJ format file, right? Okay, so guys, now I apply simple texture. So go to presets and physical, this one, and apply gold material. So apply, drag and drop, simple, right? Okay, so guys, go to here. That's my normal map texture and second one glossy texture. Guys, you can download this texture and this one text from my website. See guys, that's my normal map texture. And now go to After Effects and so guys, select your text and gold material, this one. So again go to here, select, drag and drop on After Effects and apply on bump map, normal bump. Yeah. And next one, glossy. So apply on glossiness. Yeah, it's good, right? See. Okay, so guys, now I fix UV. So select your text and this one, select UV map and guys change UV like this and UV repeat guys, I like 10 and 10. Yeah, much better. See, right? It's really good. Okay, so now guys unfold this layer. So select your text and unchild and select your group folder and press delete key. Yeah, I have only this one cube and next one guys duplicate this cube, press Ctrl D and this one. So guys remove unused and new material. Guys, I apply texture, video texture, this one and brightness 50 and press OK. So guys emulation and this one brightness 50. Yeah, and press OK. Yes, and guys go to down and emulation, this one use diffuse color check and guys intensity I like 50 is good, 50. Yeah, and guys select your default material, this one and apply on this one. Yeah, it's good. See, right? Okay, so guys now rename this layer. That's my layer and click on here. Actually guys, that's my group. So first one guys, it's my gold material group 1 and second one that's my group 2 light material. Okay, so guys all is good. Now I apply HDRI image. So environment and see guys, I apply this one. That's my HDRI file. So I change some setting on HDRI. So click on here, this one environment check and brightness guys increase like 50 and saturation I like -100 and press OK. Yeah, and guys lighting I use cinema, this one and see guys, that's really good, right? It's really gold effect. right? Okay, so guys, see one more time. That's my first one material. That's my gold material. And second one, that's my light color material. So press OK. Yeah. And now I take camera. So 35 mm is good. So guys, press C letter and closer, rotate like this. Yeah. And little bit back. Yeah, right. See guys. Okay, so now guys, select your E3D layer, this one, and go to render setting. Guys, physical, this one, physical environment. I like 1.2 like this. Yeah. And guys, lighting. So lighting I use cinema, same. So guys, shadow, check. And guys, go to ambient occlusion, check. And guys, quality use high. And guys, intensity I like 3 is good. Yeah, that's it, right? Okay, so now guys, full, I apply more gold effect. So guys, go to here, effect and preset, and use vibrance, select, drag and drop, and saturation. Guys, I like 20. Yeah, much better, right? Okay, so now, so guys, this time I create animation, cube animation. So guys, select your E3D layer and go to group 1, and guys, particle look, and guys, go to multiple object and enable multiple object check. Yeah, so unfold and go to group 2, this one, and same particle look, and guys, multiple object enable multi object check. Yeah, so guys, go to animation, this one, animation engine, and click enable, and see guys, that's my animation. So increase animation like this. Yeah, see guys, that's really good. That's my animation. See, right? Okay, so now guys, I create animation, so like 80. Yeah, and press animation key on 0 frame, and guys, go to here like 15-second last frame, and animation guys like 5. Yeah, really good, right? So go to back and play. Okay, so guys, for fast rendering I change this one, resolution, and play. Yeah, see guys, that's my really good animation, simple. Okay, so now guys, this time I create cube animation. So go to back, and guys, go to here, group 2, this one, and guys, see, that's my size. So size guys, decrease like 0.2 like this. That's my cubes. And guys, see, you can change also random. So random is good. And guys, see, that's my rotation, and rotation random multiple increase. I like 1 is good, simple 1. And guys, go to here, scatter multiple. So I like 5 is good. Yeah, and go to back and play. Yeah, see guys, that's my cubic effect, this one. Yes, it's really good. Okay, so now guys, I apply this time more glossiness effect on cube. So go to back, and guys, unfold this layer. Yeah, all is good. So guys, select this E3D layer and duplicate, Control D, and guys, this time I apply glow effect. So glow on layer 2. So guys, glow I like 50 and 200, and intensity I like 4. Actually 2 is good, 2. Yeah, and guys, select this glow and duplicate, Guys, threshold 100, radius 100 and 2 is good. Yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful glow effect. Okay, so last one guys, I apply exposure and apply on E3D 2 layer. I like 1. Yes, it's good. So guys, I change camera angle like this. Yeah, and guys, go to here 15 second. So I change camera angle. Yeah, okay, so now guys, I fix this exposure. So go to here E3D 2 and guys, go to output, this one, and show to change illumination, this one. Yes, and guys, screen, this one. So guys, go to here E3D layer up one and use screen. Yes, so go to here. Yeah, it's good, right? Okay, so guys, now go to 15 second and set your camera angle. I like this one. So change little bit and closer. Yeah, it's good. Yes. Okay, so guys, select your camera and press P, position check, and go to 0 frame. And guys, I change camera position, so closer, and change little bit and closer. Yeah, see guys, that's my simple camera movement animation. And guys, select your keyframe and press F9 for smooth animation and play. Yeah. Okay, so guys, that's it. It's really good. So play. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so guys, that's it. My final animation is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And guys, you can download this project file from my website. It's free.